Meaning of havoc.
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 Havoc. Havoc refers to widespread chaos, destruction, and disorder that often results in great harm or damage. It can be caused by various factors such as natural disasters, wars, riots, or epidemics. The consequences of havoc can be severe and long-lasting, ranging from loss of life and property to economic collapse and social unrest. The aftermath of havoc can take a toll on individuals, communities, and entire nations, leaving them struggling to rebuild and recover. In short, havoc is a state of extreme turmoil that disrupts normal life and leaves a lasting impact on all those affected by it.